Good morning, guys. The peasant guy here. So it's showing the birds again. Birds are out. Come on, cop, 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 cop. Birds are out again, guys. Just yeah. Let's clean the loft. Yeah, let's clean the loft. And yeah, they wanna come in. They wanna come in. They see food. I'm not a poop guy, guys, but I just wanna ask, like, is that the right consistency for the poop, like for raising pigeons? Like, how does it look? But yeah, uh, yeah, but I must clean quickly here because why? I don't like a dirty loft. Yeah, finish, guys. Finish. Clean the loft. Yeah, with just a good old scraper. that I that I there's not a lot of poop because I clean every morning. So yeah, so I'm just gonna just gonna show you guys how I feed my stock birds quickly. So here we are in the stock loft. I just wanna feed the stock birds quickly. Yeah, this cock here, I really like him. Damn, I really like him. I really like this cock. Don't know why, but yeah, he's on AHD and he's on HD. So yeah, just gonna feed him. Come, boys, come, guys, come. Nice, eat. Can produce nice babies, guys, nice babies. Great stuff, man. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. This is my morning routine for my birds, and yeah, he's going to lay an eggs again. Thank you guys for watching. Safe.